Welcome to this explainer on cold stress heart resilience. We're blending macrobiology with cellular science today.
So, let's dive right into the incredible mystery of the ultimate Arctic pump. The bowhead whale thrives in freezing waters, maintaining 200 years of absolutely flawless cardiac strength. They literally defy Padov's paradox, entirely avoiding cancer, despite having trillions of constantly dividing cells. But get this, in a lab setting, these massive whale cells are actually way more fragile than ours. Their secret isn't preventing the damage, it's executing perfectly flawless DNA repair every single time. Cold stress activates CIRBP. It's a repair protein that these whales produce at a 100-fold level. CIRBP acts like a cellular first responder, perfectly stabilizing those really dangerous double-strand DNA breaks. And you know, this brilliantly shows us that human cellular repair can absolutely be upgraded too. So, let's explore how this Arctic biology actually helps us upgrade our very own cellular powerhouses. Mitochondria are your engines, converting fat and oxygen into ATP, your body's ultimate energy currency. But without protection, these energy stations suffer severe damage. They need antioxidants to neutralize oxidative stress. This is exactly where the Siberian taiga components of VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90% come in. Its highly concentrated polyprenols convert into dolichos in the liver to repair your damaged mitochondrial membranes. Crucially, the first cell sap delivers bioavailable magnesium to really fuel that massive heart muscle resilience. Magnesium is a game changer. It synthesizes ATP energy, maintains heart muscle function, and eliminates harmful cholesterol.
So, the big question is, how do we safely implement this daily cardiovascular defense?
The 2 ml daily protocol is simple. Just dissolve 1 milliliter in room temperature water twice daily. But a quick heads up, because it boosts cellular energy so well, avoid taking it late evening. If a whale can master cellular repair for longevity, what step will you take for your health today?